Once upon a time, in a sun-drenched garden, nestled amongst fragrant herbs and towering sunflowers, lived a tiny seed named Pipsqueak. Pipsqueak, no bigger than a ladybug, clung tightly to his pod, afraid to take the leap. The world outside seemed vast and scary, full of unfamiliar sights and sounds. One day, a kind gardener named Ms. Willow, with twinkling eyes and hands as gentle as moss, gently picked Pipsqueak's pod. "Don't worry, little one," she smiled. "This garden is your new home, and I'll be your guide." Willow planted Pipsqueak snugly in the warm soil. "With a little sunshine, water and love," she said, "patting the earth, you'll grow into something beautiful." But Pipsqueak was scared. He felt small and lost. He didn't know how to push through the soil, reach for the sun, or unfurl his leaves. But Miss Willow was patient. She watered him gently, sang him soothing songs, and told him stories of the amazing things plants could do. Slowly, with Miss Willow's guidance, Pipsqueak began to sprout. He pushed through the soil, feeling the soft touch of sunlight on his tiny leaves. Miss Willow taught him how to drink the morning dew, how to dance in the rain, and how to reach for the sky. As days turned into weeks, Pipsqueak grew taller and stronger. He learned to photosynthesize, creating his own food from the sun's energy. He discovered the joy of helping his neighbors, sharing his shade with tired bees and offering his nectar to hummingbirds. One day, another scared little seed arrived in Ms. Willow's hand. Pipsqueak, now a proud sunflower, remembered his own fear and decided to help. He shared Ms. Willow's lessons, encouraged the new seed to be brave, and promised to be his friend. And so Pipsqueak, once a scared little seed, became a teacher himself, guided by the love and wisdom of Ms. Willow. He learned that teachers come in all shapes and sizes, and that their lessons, like sunshine and water, help us grow into our best selves. Through Pipsqueak's journey, we learn that teachers are more than just instructors. They are nurturers, guides, and friends who help us unlock our potential and blossom into who we are meant to be. They provide the support and encouragement we need to face challenges, embrace new experiences, and reach for the sun, just like Pipsqueak the sunflower.